armed wing, and the largest flag recently landed by any American state in the world. We're setting out what the smoke's doing, what the wind is doing, setting up. Big round of applause to John Burns here. Great second. Setting up for his down.
That's the first flag, folks.
Ladies and gentlemen, our team leader, as I say, we will be around all points.
Hi everybody, it's Artista Bobby!
And I'm Fat Steve. And I'm the star of the show, Princess Sandra. And together, we're Spicehead-Media. Afternoon everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spicehead-Media, and it's Saturday, it's the Air Show day, and I'll give you a little shot of where I am. I'm just outside the Golden Mile. I've got Coral Island over there, and we've got that tower in the distance, folks. Lovely. So I'm down on the Promenade, which is closed to cars, and I was filming this morning. You see it's a little bit different now. Most of the adjoining roads are closed, and there are thousands and thousands of people here. I've managed to come down this end and get the sun behind me, so people in deck chairs, picnicking, pizzas, food, chips, candy floss, fudge, all sorts, folks. Sticks of rock. With me little stick of Blackpool rock, ding 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 ding. I'm leaning on a lamppost at the corner of our street, in case a certain little lady goes by. Oh me, oh my, I hope that little lady goes by. Ding 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 ding. So we're going to that lossless zoo. People sat at the bus stops. People everywhere. There's an aeroplane just going over. I think somebody might have parachuted out of it, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can zoom a little bit further.
2026. My name is Joe Grant. I'm the Air Show commentator for the next 2 days.
So I don't know what they dropped. I don't know if they parachuted.
Thanks to everybody from our radio stations. Continue to listen to our day on the 18th and online as well. And just to give you a little rundown of what's going to happen, you might have noticed already that the smoke on the beach that is from the Red Devils The Typhoon.
So there's a red flare on the beach, and I think what I was just trying to get a few minutes ago was people jumping out of that aeroplane, parachuters. It's taken them a while to get over here, I think. So there's the smoke flare. I don't know where they've gone. So we've got groups of armed police along the prom to protect the public doing the job. You can see with this police vehicle the orange asperities, which denote it's an armed response unit. So that red smoke is coming across now. I don't know where them parachuters have gone. That smoke smells a bit. So we've got a couple of armed officers here. Aeroplane just going across again. And let's have a look at this, folks. Oh, look at these brave boys doing the job, protecting the public, doing what they're there for. Can I have a look at your heckler and cock? How many times you heard that, man?
How are you having a good day?
Yeah, it's not too bad. I've only just started. I did a bit this morning. Just getting the on bit. I don't film the aeroplanes, I film the people.
Yeah, I know.
And the I'm sure 2 parachuters came out of that before. I don't know where they've gone. They dropped 2 things out of it.
I don't know if the first one coming up is parachuters or not, so
Right.
it might be.
All right.
For that.
I'll see you later. Keep safe. Thank you for your service. So he showed me his heckler, but he wouldn't show me his cock. So thank you. So I've managed to keep that sun behind me. I'm not sure where I'm going to try and get any aeroplanes. In fact, I'm going to head right along to show this crowd right down to the North Pier, and then I'll probably come back. I don't normally come here to film the aeroplanes. I normally come just to film the ambience and the people enjoying themselves in beautiful downtown Blackpool. Oh, I wish I'd have sold them folding chairs this week. I'd have been a millionaire by Wednesday.
So, we were formed in 1964 by Headland and we've been around ever since. We conduct around 50-60 parachute plays each year, whether that's back home here in the UK or places further afield like America, Belgium, Lithuania, and many more. These groups come back, celebrate the
As we come to this barrier, I've got to go to the left or the right, so we'll go to the right again, which is the way I came through. Just mind this lady. Thank you. So people sat on the bollards of peace. So down here we've got ambulance support, we've got the Coast Guard, RSS is putting bollards and things out. Got another armed response police vehicle. Some ambulances. So we've got 2 red and yellow and green striped ambulances and a couple of white ones. I don't know if these 2 are St John's. No, it's a private ambulance company. So I'm just passing the North Pier tram stop. I'll head back down that way if I can. It's going to be a bit tight, and that sun will be in ahead of me, but we'll have a try. So I'm going to have to knock down a notch and I don't run anybody over. And look, we've got some punk rockers and the Air Festival folks. So as we squeeze out, lots of people sat along here. And I'm coming down now towards the wedding chapel. And I don't want to get stuck. Should just get that tannoy again in a minute. So 2 things fell out of one of them aircraft before, but I don't know if they were just testing the wind direction.
From there, they will split apart.
So I think the first thing to happen is the parachuters. Just at the end of Church Street now, opposite the wedding chapel and the beach house. So I'm just trying to get around the beach house, sorry. You get behind this barrier, then nobody can jump in front of me. Got children everywhere. Let's get that tower and not these kids. So I can just about squeeze through there, I think, without it tipping me off. Nearly. Get down here, might fall off now. Oh, he's done it. So that sun now is directly ahead of me. I don't know if the trams are stopped or not. I need to get back this way a little bit to be able to film behind the direction I'm going now. So look at these people, folks.
So come say hello. We've got VR headsets, you can experience the skydiving yourself.
Lots of them.
We have our team film playing, and then one more there with their kit equipment. So come down and say hello.
So I've got down this end, and I'm going to try and spin the chair. I'm going to try and spin on me. So I'm going to leave you there for a few minutes and I'll come back when there's some aeroplanes, folks. You don't film the aeroplanes, Steve? Well, I am a little bit. See you later, bye. There he goes, folks. And there's number 2 with Union Jacks, a bit higher up. I said if I get these, I've got them. If I haven't, I haven't. All I can do is try. I think that Union Jack is just coming out of the smoke. We try and zoom. I don't know if it'll work or not. There we go, folks. That's the fair flag, folks. Can you hear that, folks? I don't know if you'll see it. People are pointing, but Fat Steve can't see it yet. So this should be the Typhoon, and it should be coming soon. So with that quick, I missed it. Should be a pinprick in the sky there, folks. So it comes back. This is the Typhoon. No glasses on. Filming blind there. I've no radio mic on. I'm right in the front of the tower. Oh, look at that for a climb. I hope I've got fast. Found it again, just about. And he's sweeping in now. Gonna come down the prom, I think, from the right. Here he comes. I'm on ambient mic. Should be 4 or 5 microphones. Is that it? I've lost it again. Somewhere out here. Here he comes. Coming from the left now. It's just gone up vertical. So he's gone right up in the sky and he's coming back down. He's coming along now, left to right, folks. I wonder how much that's costing fuel. More than that, I wonder who paid for it. Hope it's not coming out of my pension. This could be the last pass. Reach for the sky. So it's still going, folks. Still on ambient mic. A few more barrel rolls and 12s. He's doing a slow pass now. You know, I'm only 5 minutes.
Right there, 100 feet, as I said, 700 miles an hour. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. 500 airdrop, low as 300 feet. You're going to circle back around and at 500 feet, you're going to pitch up right in front of us and go zooming up to 10,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, go ahead.
So is it 10,000 feet, folks? So that's a little bit of the ambience around the air show in Blackpool, folks. All these people here enjoying themselves. I'm just tipping my tiller and I'm going to try and make my way out of it. I need to get on the road. Well, if I stay on here, I've got people everywhere, right, left and centre. Strong smell of weed then. Thousands and thousands of people here today. Here today, gone tomorrow. Well, they might still be here tomorrow. So I hope it filmed. I won't know till I get home what I've got. I might get just clips of it, or I might have it all. I'll edit it as best as I can and see what I can do for you. It's getting a bit tight now down this end. What with dogs and kids and husbands and prams. People, oh, man and woman lying there, lying on the tram tracks. And this one's sat on the tram tracks. Let's just squeeze through here. So we're trying to head and get back on the road. Let's say if I stay here, I've got this full ambience for you of the Blackpool Air Show. Nice little dog here. As we come up to that barrier again. I've got to go around this way. Once you get on that grass again, man, you don't fall off again, Steve. Everybody's trying to squeeze through here, and I'm going. Thank you. So I've passed the barrier. There is the orange barriers. I don't know where the trams are stopping. There's the brave officers again, defending us. Not been used up to now, thank God. But they were still needed. With so many people here, you just don't know what somebody is capable of doing. You need to protect the public, folks. So I'm going to finish off outside the Crazy Ugly Saloon. No, I'm not. Wrong one. Just a little bit further. Got Robert's Oyster Rooms to the right. And I'm trying to get down to Shenanigans, I think. It's been a long time since I've been out at night or evening. Shenanigans was always a fantastic venue to film. So I'm just about squeezing down. So there's Shenanigans. I'm going to try and get it behind me. Alright. So I'll flick back now. It's about 3 outside Shenanigans, folks. So I'm going to catch you all later. Keep safe. And thank you very much for watching, folks. Bye, everybody.
Hi everybody, it's Arteta Bobby!
And I'm Fat Steve. And I'm the star of the show, Princess Sandra. And together, we're Spicehead-Media.